In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Webflow to WordPress. So first, log into your WordPress dashboard. Then next in the left panel, go to Plugins. Then next is search for Webflow. And from the search results, click on Webflow Pages. Now here, if you scroll down, you'll see how it works. So basically, you need to download and activate this plugin. Then next, you need to create your Webflow project, of course, in webflow.com. And third, you just need to paste your Webflow project's API key into this plugin settings. And lastly, you just need to define which Webflow pages you want to serve on your WordPress pages. But of course, this app is not free and you need to upgrade for this to be activated. And here are the plans available for you to be able to avail the Webflow Pages app. And once you have it, all you just need to do is follow the instructions in setting it up. And once connected, you can now start working seamlessly with Webflow and WordPress. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!